As they ensure continuity of supply while protecting margin, industrial organizations rely on wide ecosystems of suppliers, customers, and other partners. These ecosystems are built on contracts, governing everything from commodity pricing, manufacturing capacity and logistics, to risk sustainability and compliance. Yet, for many organizations, contract management remains manual and disjointed, and contract data remains siloed and inaccessible, destroying value, stifling innovation, and creating risk. Icertis Contract Intelligence structures and connects the critical business information found in your contracts so you can reduce revenue leakage, protect margins, increase supplier visibility, and drive more predictability to meet compliance obligations. Our AI-powered platform optimizes every step of the contracting process, from contract initiation to negotiations to ensuring the full intent of every contract is realized after it's signed. And through extensive experience with customers in the manufacturing, energy and utilities, automotive and transportation, and real estate and construction industries, Icertis creates technology that delivers value to your organization fast, so you can deliver for your customers. Create better contracts, automate contract processes, and gain unprecedented business insights with Icertis Contract Intelligence. To learn more, visit icertis.com/industrial.